Class 1 EVS Animals. There are different types of animals around us. They differ in size, shape, color, and the place they live in. In this chapter, we will learn about animal body coverings, food habit, extinct and endangered animals. Animal body coverings. Animals have different kinds of body coverings. Some animals have fur on their body. They are called as mammals. Animals like rabbit, deer, panda, lion have fur or hair on their body. Animals like lizard, snake have scales on their body. These animals are called as reptiles and they have very smooth skin. Some animals have feathers. They are called as birds. Birds use their feathers to fly high in the sky. They are called as aerial animals. Now, let us see about the food habits of different kinds of animals. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Depending on their food habit, animals are divided into herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores. Animals like elephant, rabbit, horse eat grass, leaf, and other parts of the plant as their food. These animals that eat only plants are called as plant-eating animals. Carnivores. Some animals like lion, tiger, snake eat the flesh of other animals. Such animals are called as carnivorous animal or flesh-eating animals. Some animals eat both plants as well as the flesh of other animals. Such animals are called as omnivorous animals. Examples of omnivores are bear, pig, and crow. Now, let us see about extinct and endangered animals. What do you mean by extinct animals? Extinct animals are those animal species which do not exist anymore. Example, Tasmanian tiger, dodo, and woolly mammoth, etc. Tasmanian tiger. Tasmanian tigers are the carnivorous animal. These animals hunt other animals like kangaroo, birds, sheep, and pigs. They become extinct because they are hunted by the farmers. Woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth animal looks like an elephant. It became extinct because of big climatic change and they are being hunted by the humans. Next we see about dodo. The dodo was a flightless bird. The beak of this bird looks like that of vulture. This animal became extinct because they had no fear for humans. Endangered animals. Endangered animals are the animals which are in serious danger of being extinct. Some of the examples of endangered animals are giant panda, tiger, blue whale, and rhinoceros. The giant panda is also known as panda bear. They eat both plants and animals. The tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. The tigers are being killed because of their teeth and skin. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest mammal in the world. These mammals are found in oceans. Rhinoceros have a good sense of hearing, but they have poor eyesight. Rhinoceros are mostly killed for its horns. In this chapter, we learned about animal body coverings, food habit, extinct and endangered animals. Thank you.